This is step 4 in creating your online oral presentation. And in this step, I'll show you how to post a link in the discussion board to your presentation. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of PowerPoint here, and I'm into Blackboard in our course. And what I need to do before I can post my presentation to the discussion board area is I need the link. So I'm going to open up a new tab, and then I am going to go to YouTube, and I need to sign in. So I'll click sign in right here, and again you log in with your FAU email and password. I'll click sign in. It's passing me through again. Again, I'll need to sign in, and this should take me to YouTube. Now what I want to do is see the link for one of the videos that I loaded for my presentation. So right here on this arrow, I'm going to choose Video Manager, and there's more than one way to do this. I'm just showing you one way. And here is my presentation, so I'll click on this arrow. I'll choose Info and Settings, and then right on the side here is the link to my presentation. So I'll click and drag to highlight, right click, choose Copy. If you're using a Mac, it's going to be slightly different, not right click. But now I'll go to Blackboard, back to Blackboard, and I'm going to go to Groups. I'll click on Groups. And the group you're looking for is your presentation group. So I'll click on Presentation Group, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to choose my Group Discussion Board. And from here there's two sections. The one you're going to post the link to your presentation is at the first one right here. So I'll click here, Presentation Group 1. And there's nothing here because I'm the first one to post. So I will click on Create Thread. And in here for the subject, I'll type in my subject. I'm typing about, my subject was School Finance. And then I'll scroll down a little, and then I can type in, this is a link to my presentation. Now, you need to click here on this insert file icon. It may be that when you open up this section of the discussion board, you don't have all of this available, and that's because you might be in the simple mode, what's called the simple mode of Blackboard. I'm going to make this a little smaller so you can see everything, but right here controls what mode you're in. So if you open it up and there isn't a link there, you need to click on these arrows and it'll open you up to the advanced mode. Once you're in the advanced mode, you have this insert file link. So I'll click on that, and a new window pops up, and I'm going to choose source URL. I'll click on that, and I will paste in the link that I had from YouTube. This is the link to my presentation in YouTube. I'll click on Submit, and it should automatically come up, open in a new window. It should say yes, and just leave that, that's fine. I'll click on Submit, and then I will submit again to show that I want to submit the discussion board, my post. So now when anybody goes into this section, this forum, if they click here, they'll see my post, and right here is a link. If they click on the link, it should take them to my presentation.
And now this is the beginning.
So that is how you post a link to your presentation in the discussion board.